students, how are you all students? Class 1, today take out your social studies workbook of class 1 and look at page 27, which we have been doing in our previous lecture as well. We will continue with the second exercise of it. So look at it. So students, you remember in our previous lecture we have already doing these blanks. We have completed with these blanks, like what we should say when we meet someone. We should greet them. We should greet them by saying assalamu alaikum. Then second blank was we should say thank you when when someone give us something, and then the third was we should request someone by saying please, and the fourth one, whenever we hurt someone by our words or by our doing unethical or wrong, we should say sorry to them. Yes or no? Today we will continue with the other exercise, which is answer the questions by completing the sentences. Like we have to complete the answers of the question by choosing the correct options on the above line. Yes, you can see the highlighting was the three options we have. We can complete our answers by choosing the correct options from here. Are you getting me? Now let's start the first one. What must you do if you see someone older than you standing? Like they are asking, what should you do? What should be your reaction when you see someone older than you standing in a bus stop or in a bus while you are sitting? So the options are, number one option is help him to wash the car. You can help him by washing his car. Washing the car, or you can seat to the older one, or you can help him whenever you see someone older standing than you by giving your seat to them. Yes, you can help them by giving your seat to the elder one. So we the first option the first answer of the first option is seat to the elder one. So right, you must stand up and give the seat to the elder one. So write first, so this option in the first, with the first answer. Start writing it. So the answer of the first one is you must do. If you see someone older than you standing, what should you do? You must stand up. Like they are saying, you must stand up. First of all, you have to stand up and give the seat and give your seat to the elder one, which is older than you. You should make them sit on your own seat and you should stand on their place. Are you getting me? I'm sure you are getting me. Now look at the second sentence. If you see someone elderly walking by with a heavy bag, what should you do? Like if you see someone which is older enough and who is holding a heavy bag or holding a heavy weight on their bags, like what should you do? What should be your reaction? So look at the options. Help him to wash the car. No, this doesn't go with the second option. This is already we have wrote in our first answer. So look at the second. Carry the bag. Yes, you should offer to carry the bag. You can help the elder person by taking their heavy bag on your own back. So the second answer is carry the bag. So let's write it. So you should offer to carry the bag. You can help the elder person who is walking with a heavy bag by holding or carry their load on your own back. Are you getting me? You can take the heavy bag from them and take it on your own, and you can help in this way. So look at the third sentence. If question, if your father is washing the car, like if your father is washing the car, what should you do? Being as a good children, being as a good children of your father, what should you do? What should a responsible child do? So you should offer to help him. We have only left with the only one option, yes or no? We are only left with one option, which is help him to wash the car. So is this linked with the third one? Yes, definitely it links with the third one. If your father is washing the car, you should offer help him to wash the car. Write this one with the in the third option. So the third option is, if your father is washing the car, what should you do? You should offer to help him to wash the car. You can help him by washing his car. Are you getting me? I hope you have noted all the answer correctly in your book. And all is set for today, and we will continue with a new chapter tomorrow. Thank you, students.